Welcome. Today we are going to discuss how our comments can be invalidated as a spam by YouTube. This is the second video in the series, and the first one was how our comments end up as spam unknowingly, where top 10 comments has been described which we are making unknowingly. So you can watch that video given at the end screen. Watch till the end. Today we are discussing from numbers 11 to 25. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching. So we will start with number 11, which is friends. Number 12, which is nice. Number 13, red button. Number 14, numerical numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 15, emoji. Number 16, stay connected. Number 17, mere. Number 18, I miss you. Number 19, like for. Number 20, Number 21, shout out. Number 22, hey, hello sister. Number 23, hey, hello brother. Number 24, check out my video. And 25, pull on. Thank you for watching. You can watch the first video at the given at the end screen and help you to find your dream careers through the information shared via our career awareness channel. This includes your dream careers, which may be full-time jobs, part-time ones, freelance, work from home, side hustles, passive income opportunities, business and other financial opportunities. Subscribe us and give your valuable comments and stay tuned.